Hello, here's another low-carb baking tip for you. Let's use yogurt for frosting. So alam na alam natin, no? Especially in low-carb diet, that yogurt is very healthy. It's good for the gut, no? It's probiotic, and marami talagang benefits and even added protein. So we've been baking our low-carb breads and pastries with yogurt, and this time, ginawa naman natin siyang frosting. Ayan. So in another video, meron po tayong procedures on how to make that. And in another video also, meron din ako procedure on how to create your own yogurt. Alright, so just like with this one, with my low-carb carrot cake, and it's also has yogurt, no? At ang maganda nito, even yung frosting ay pwedeng-pwede ring yogurt. Ayan, diba? So, there, you can frost with yogurt, and of course, magiging super healthy na talaga ang iyong low-carb cake creation. Alright? So for more tips, subaybay lang po kayo and subscribe. Thank you!